The chsh command allows you to change your default shell or login shell. Chsh is short for change shell. The basic syntax is chsh-s full path to the shell, where s flag is to specify the type of shell you want to set as your default shell. This command will require you to enter your password. The new login shell will be available for you to run the next time you log in. You can log out and log back in to run new shell. First, let's check which shells are available on your system. You can do this by listing the shells from the /etc/shells file. This will display a list of available shells on your system. To see which shell you're currently using, run echo $shell. This will output the path of your current default shell. To change your default login shell, run the chsh command. Enter your password when prompted. After logging out and logging back in, check your default shell. It should display the path of your new shell. List available shells. Check your current default shell. Change your default shell using chsh command. Enter your system's login password. Open new tab or log out and log back in, check your default shell. You have now successfully changed your default shell. Whether you prefer bash, zsh, or any other type of shell, you can switch between shells depending on your preferences or needs. That's all about this tutorial. See you in the next one.